Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss about conditional formatting data bars option. Here we have the data of 15 cellmen and the number of units they sold. Uh, Now we are going to use conditional formatting for the number of units sold by each salesman. I will be using this option, Home tab, conditional formatting. I will be using the option of data bars and we can select this option. Here you can see that it shows the most highlighted cell is 200, which is the sales of Mr. B, the salesman Mr. B, that shows 200 units. And the second highest is 150, which is the sales made by Mr. C, the salesman C. Here you can see so on and so forth, the highlighting of sales. And we have another option to use this conditional formatting for any specific kind of rule. If we are using the same example and click on conditional formatting, create our own new rules, we can actually create our own rules. We will be using the option of greater than. Here we will be using the option of sales exceeding 105. Okay, I'm using sales exceeding 105 and I'm going to color it as a red border, or you can, okay, you can make it yellow. Okay, so you can see that the cells which are less than or equal to, even equal to 105 are not highlighted. The only ones that are greater than 105 are highlighted. Here you have some other examples of less than, between, and you can also use equal to option to do the conditional formatting. So so far we have this for today's lecture. uh, we will